your head and keep your knees as close as possible to your head. This is exact the same for a bike. Try to keep your knees as close as possible to your head and grab your foot. If you feel comfortable enough, try to do multiple hand hops. You only can do these continuous if you always pull your legs back in. First, start warming up with the power kick. Next up, spinning handstand. Make sure you start slowly and that you make small steps at the beginning. Keep your legs straight and keep your arms on shoulder width. If you feel you can do this slowly, try to speed it up. Now, a really important one, the walking air flares. One air flare exists out of 4 steps. Step 1, 2, the walk over tree to a pike, and then place your other hand to go to the next air flare. Try to do these continuous first before you go to the hopping air flares. Remember, always keep your legs stretched out with the hips bent forward. Next up, the cartwheel. With this exercise, we're going to practice the walk or the hop over. This is actually an air flare on a line. So for this one, you gotta pull in your legs with your first hand, push them out until you get the air time, and then pull your legs back in and stretch your legs out to catch the landing. Try to apply the hop over to your walking air flare, and then you'll get a hopping air flare. For this one, you always have to keep your legs in the squat position. Try to think about a hand hop. Step 1, 2, pull your legs in, push them out, that's where you get the air time, and then pull your legs back in to catch the landing. Start slow, and if you feel you're getting more control, try to speed it up. This process actually takes you a few months, but if you stay motivated, you'll get it for sure. Just don't try to rush the exercises and do everything step by step. Now try to stretch it out more when you catch the landing. Try to do your lowest possible air flare to windmill. This exercise will help you to get your real low air flares. Handstand to air flare is a really good exercise if you want to practice continuous air flares. Also try to start slow and speed it up while doing the air flares. Now we got the 4 levels of air flare: the spinning handstand, the walking air flares, the hopping air flares, and the real low air flares.